In this video, I'll walk you through the installation process of Python. So first we need to go to this python.org website and then go to this downloads tab, and here you will be able to see the latest Python version that is available. So if you click on this, the latest Python version would be downloaded. But in case you want to install any other specific version of Python, like the older versions of Python, you can simply go to this all releases tab, and it will show you all the versions of Python that has been released so far. So if you want to install, let's say, Python 3.10.11, and you can click on this, and if you go down, you'll be able to see different installers for different operating systems. So you can install the one depending on the operating system that you are using. But right now I'm just going to go ahead with the latest Python version installation. So if I click on this, the download will begin for Python 3.12, and once it has been downloaded, you can simply click on this for the installation to begin. And I'm using Mac machine, but if you're using Windows, make sure that you check the checkbox which says add python.exe to path. Then you can just continue with the rest of the installation as it is. So I'll just continue, and then agree, and then click on install. So for Mac, it asks for the password. So you can provide your Mac password here. And once you have provided your password, you can simply click install software and it will install the package for you. Okay, so once it is installed, you can close the installer here. And to verify that the installation was successful, you can simply go to the terminal on Mac or command prompt on Windows and type python hyphen hyphen version. So on Mac, it says that the command was not found. You can type Python 3 hyphen hyphen version. This should not be a problem on Windows. This is only specific to Mac. So for Mac, you need to do Python 3 hyphen hyphen version, and then it would tell you the version that you downloaded. And you can also check the path where this Python is coming from. So you can type which Python 3, and it will show you the entire path for this. Let's say if you want to make the Python command work on your MacBook, then there is a way you can do it. You can use this command. You can say echo alias Python equals to Python 3, and then just copy this to your ZSHRC file. So for me, it is ZSHRC, but if you're working on some other operating system, it might be different. It might be Bash RC or it might be Bash profile. So based on your operating system, just use that particular file here. So if you enter this command, this this particular command would be pasted to the your ZSHRC file, and then for this to take effect immediately, you would have to like run source and then the file name. And now if you run Python, you'll see that it's now opening the shell for Python 3.12. So this is how you can make Python command also work on MacBook by just pointing to Python 3. And you can also have multiple versions of Python running on your system. So I have currently Python 3.10 and 3.11 apart from 3.12 that we just downloaded. So how I can access those is I can do Python 3.10 and it will open the shell for Python 3.10, and similarly I can do Python 3.11 and it will give you the shell for Python 3.11. There is also a better way to manage all the Python versions on your system by using a library called PyEnv. You can use this library for managing different versions on Python on your system and switching between those. So, but I'll be taking this in another video.